Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your Windows computer is very slow to save file. It's acting very slow, and then if you trying any open dialog to files to like save as for example, it takes lots of time to get it guys. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type control panel. Open it. In control panel you need to select view by two large icons over here, and you need to scroll down guys. Here you need to select troubleshooting. In here system and security, run maintain tasks, maintenance task, click on it, and here you need to select advanced, apply repair automatically, click on it, and run as administrator is running. I need to select next. Detecting any issues, try troubleshooting as a administrator, click on it. If you not get any resource over here, close out of here, and in search menu go to my description guys. I'm giving file path. You need to copy that and paste in search menu guys. Paste it in search menu. That is file folder over here. You need to open it, and in this file folder you need to delete it guys. All of these, right click and delete it. This is unwanted file. If that any files are not deleted, it's not a problem guys. Close out of here, and deleted file you need to empty it, and go to search menu and type cmd, run as administrator, click as. Go to my description of my video guys. Command used net stop server, copy it and tap the bar, right click eject, paste it. It's automatically run guys. Stopped successfully, and copy the next command, net start server, copy it and tap the bar and right click eject, paste it, press enter. It's help available. It's started guys, already has been started. Close software and go and restart your PC. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video. Go and restart for make changes. Thank you.